Welcome to the channel. Today we're making my favorite breakfast. It's high in protein, delicious, and healthy. It's a great option if you want to eat balanced meals, stay full longer, and avoid gaining unnecessary weight. And most importantly, it's super easy to make with simple, available ingredients. So let's get started. Let's begin with the eggs. I take 2 whole eggs and 1 extra egg white. This increases the protein to 16 grams and slightly reduces the fat. Whisk the mixture well in a bowl. You can add a bit of salt and pepper right away. Pour the egg mixture into a pan and cook it while stirring constantly. The main thing is not to overcook it. I like it when the scramble stays a bit creamy. It takes just a couple of minutes, so don't walk away from the stove. While the eggs are cooking, let's prep the other ingredients. We'll make a creamy topping. Not only tasty, but it also adds even more protein. Mix 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese with 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. That's another 11 grams of protein. I use 5% cottage cheese and 2% Greek yogurt. They are perfectly balanced in taste and texture. Mix them well until smooth. If you want, you can add a little garlic powder, a splash of lemon juice, or a pinch of Italian herbs. That will make the flavor even more interesting. Now let's move on to the fresh ingredients. Take 4 cherry tomatoes and simply cut them in half. They'll add a bit of sweetness and juiciness. Next, the greens. I have a mix of lettuce and arugula. Arugula adds a light bitterness, and lettuce gives a neutral base. Together, they create a fresh and vibrant feel. You can also use spinach if you have it on hand. And of course, avocado. We're using half. That's about 70 grams. Slice it thinly or mash it gently with a fork. Avocado is a great source of healthy fats, vitamin E, and fiber. By the way, if your avocado is too firm, place it in a paper bag with an apple for a couple of days. It'll ripen faster. Now let's assemble everything. My favorite part. Place the scrambled eggs on one side of the plate. Next to them, a spoonful of the creamy cottage cheese and yogurt mix. Lay out the avocado nicely next to that. Then add the tomatoes and a handful of greens. You've got a full protein-packed breakfast. Colorful, fresh, and super appetizing. If you like, you can drizzle everything with a bit of lemon juice or a drop of olive oil. Sometimes I sprinkle pumpkin seeds or sesame seeds on top. It adds crunch and extra nutrients. Let's break down how much goodness is in this plate. Around 387 calories, 29 grams of protein, 26 grams of fat, and just 13 grams of carbs. This is an ideal breakfast if you want to maintain muscle mass, reduce fat, and stay energized until lunch. Thanks to the protein and healthy fats, it keeps you full and avoids blood sugar spikes. And that's it. A protein-rich breakfast that's not only good for you, but also super tasty. I hope you liked the recipe and we'll try it tomorrow. Let me know in the comments if you want more recipes like this. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends. There's a lot more tasty and healthy content coming up. See you in the next video.